Becoming pregnant like scared the shit out of me, to be honest, because I was like, oh my God, I can't do like 80 to 90% of the things that I love to do, like ski, ride a horse, do all those weird things. And then of course, like still working out till I was able to deliver, I noticed that there was obvious changes in my spine and my hips and my pelvis, like all those things needed to like open the gateway for a delivery. Like when should they come in? Like if they've never done it before, what's a good time?